Hello, my lovely English learners. Welcome back to another amazing episode. And today I am going to discuss with you an important update that is crucial, that is significant, because most of the times we have been taught, and what we have been taught, we have been taught to train our brain to think in English language. But still we are not fluent in English. We are training our brains, and this is most important thing, to feed your brain with proper input. But the most crucial point, the most important, the most significant update which I am going to discuss with you is, now it's the time. It's the change reality. Do something differently, do something out of the box if you just want to move the needle towards the improvement. Now the time says it's the time to train your mouth to speak in English. I will tell you how you can train your mouth to speak in English language. This is the most important thing. First, we should understand with an illustration, with an example. For example, we will take the example of a water tub and a tap. Now the tub is brimming with English language. It is full of all idiomatic expressions, sentence structures, vocabulary words, each and everything which is required for you to speak in English language. But still you are not fluent in English. You are just a homebody. You are just a slowpoke who is just thinking. Because now your brain is full and you have been taught all your educational years different kinds of English, in form of reading, in form of writing, in form of listening as well. Now you are in this journey and you are doing the same kind of rehearsal. Still your mouth is not able to speak English in a fluent way, in a confident way, with proper facial expressions. What is the reason behind it? Just imagine your mouth is a tab. Now thoughts are here in your brain and your brain is brimming, your brain is full of all the kinds of English knowledge, English language, because all the years of your conscious language, of your conscious knowledge, of your conscious academic knowledge, you have been given a lot of vocabulary words, a lot of sentence structures, and you can speak. I am not asking you to speak in a fancy way with the literary usage of examples and very fancy and literary words, advanced kind of words. You can convey your message, you can convey your thoughts in the most emphatic manner through simple sentence structures with simple vocabulary. But still you are not competent enough to utilize what is lying here in your brain. The problem is that now the tab is somewhat rusted. It got rust. It is not working properly. It got stagnant. Are you getting my point, that now your tab, which is your mouth, is stagnant? Is stagnant. You have to work on this tab so that there should be a proper flow of thoughts. You can convey your ideas in the best possible manner. Now the question arises here is that, fine, okay, time is changed. We have to just train our mouth to speak in English language. Now what should be the rehearsal? What should be the exercise? What should be the methodology to train your mouth to speak in this targeted language? Now the answer is that you have to remove this hesitation. Because just like this example, your brain is full, but there is hesitation on your mouth. Hesitation is here, fear is here, all things are here, and this hesitation, you have to break the shackles, you have to break all the chains. The first and the foremost thing is to just force yourself, compel yourself to illustrate, to elaborate your point, to elaborate the things around you. For example, this is a book. Now, you have to speak through your mouth because you know the utilities, the advantages, the disadvantages, and the benefits of a book. Having a book, being a good reader, all you can explain, but you are not explaining it. Now it's the time to take any object like this mobile phone, simple object, a pen. These are the objects. You have to explain them. You can explain their utility, you can explain their benefits to yourself. Because before abruptly appearing in any group discussion, in any, you can say, in front of the audience, no. You have to train your mouth separately in the form of monologue, in the form of self-talk. And analyze, and just analyze the duration time, because that duration is of most important, because for how many minutes you are capable to speak on a particular subject, on a particular topic, on a particular object. So start training your mouth till today, because all the rest of the years you have been listening, you have been reading, you have been writing, each and everything you have been doing. The result is you are not able to speak in English. You can understand English well, but you cannot speak. When you are watching a movie, you understand the theme, you are just enjoying the movie. You are enjoying the lyrics of the songs. And sometimes you are competent to understand, to comprehend the native speaker's language. But when it comes to speak through your mouth, your tongue freezes. Your tongue freezes. This is the condition of frozen condition. You have to defreeze it. And how to defreeze it? By rehearsal, by exercise, by self-talk. You have to talk to yourself. There should be no Sunday, there should be no holiday, no, not at all. Fix a proper duration, fix a proper timing which is feasible for you when you are quite free from all the burdens of life, when you are with yourself. You can select the time of morning, afternoon, noon, evening, any time of your own choice, but fix it. And you can also write it on some page in broad writing, English time, spoken English time, or this is the time to train my mouth to speak English language, and paste it somewhere in your room. This is the best thing. And now you for approximately 15 to 20 days you have to do it by yourself, and after doing it just switch to any WhatsApp group, because I am not much in the favor of apps, because there is something or the other, or in somewhere of your brain there will be this thought that you are talking to a machine, you are talking to a robot, and robot cannot generate the realistic feedback. So you have to engage in conversation with real human beings. And how to find real human beings in your surrounding, how to create this environment? Just go and join any WhatsApp group, English learning group, and join the chats, one-on-one sessions with your co-learners. You can be in the voice group or a voice note, and you can be in the group discussion and one thing is compulsory: you have to take a topic, prepare it well in terms of idioms, in terms of phrases, in terms of expression, in terms of the points which you are going to illustrate in the favor and against of this topic. This is the most crucial thing. Now You have to do it every single day for approximately 6 months. 6 months should be your target, and after 6 months you will see a significant change in your spoken English, and you cannot rely on any other person. You will see, you will say, and you will see also that I am improving my English language day by day. I am getting advanced in English language day by day. Now there will be a maximum exposure for you, because when you are speaking on a particular topic, by selection of a particular topic, and you have selected, you have chosen, and you have collected the points, what should be the next criteria? The next thing, the most important thing is, now you have to speak. And once you are comfortable with speaking with yourself, with the group, with anyone, with strangers, now it's the heralding time that you are a victorious. Hope you have understood. Utilize this method, because no other method can be fruitful for you unless you utilize this method. So with this positive note, I certainly end this video. Till the next video, stay happy, stay blessed. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.